By now you may be very comfortable with using the calendar section from the digital planner, but it's also good to know how to use those 7 built-in life and work special sections I have created inside this digital planner. And I'm talking about notes, about the self-care section, which I truly love, about money, home, meetings, projects, and people. Now, keep in mind that these sections are split into categories, and for each category I have included a color just to make it easier for you to know where you are at a particular time. Now, let's go and check, for example, projects, the green color. You see how on the top left side there is a green shape? Well, that indicates the category you are in. Whenever you see that, keep in mind that I only have included one page per category, and in this case I have this projects list in one page. However, I also have another template, and that is project details, still one page. If you need more of them inside this category, all you need to do is duplicate the page. Let's see how to duplicate the project list page in the green category. There you have it. Close, and I have an extra list for the projects in the green category. You can do the same with the projects detail page. And you can actually do the same with every single category you see inside the special sections. Now, some categories have predefined information, and the self-care has every single rectangle filled with a predefined category. And I have daily journaling, monthly habit tracker, monthly workout tracker, weekly meals and shopping list, books to read, movies to watch, travel journeys, and birthdays. Now, for the daily journaling, for those on the top, you don't have to do anything. Just open them and use them as they are. Also, make notice that these pages are usually interconnected. For example, I have clicked January habit tracker, and I also could access from this page January workout or January birthdays or January money. Now let's go back to the self-care because we are still there. On the bottom part, you have a few icons that are not dated, and I'm talking about books to read, movies to watch, and travel journey. You will only just click on the arrow to get to that category. The categories on the bottom, however, has a bit of a different approach, especially the first three. You have books to read, movies to watch, and travel and journeys. These include only one page each, one template each. If I click the books to read, I have one page for books to read, and if I need more, I just duplicate that page. Close, and let's see. I have 2 pages now. You can do this for all of them, like even for movies to watch, travel and journeys. Even for home, you have, let's say home, you have home to-dos, home projects. You can duplicate these templates as much as needed because I only have included one template per section. I hope it makes sense. For the meeting notes, this is something different. I have grouped the meeting notes by month, so whenever you click a monthly tab like June 2020 meeting notes, you will be directed to the first day of the month and you will see the meeting note for that day. Again, if you have more meeting notes for that particular day, just go ahead to thumbnails and duplicate that page. That's about the special sections. They are super easy to use. However, I wanted you to know this extra information. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comment in the comment section below. If you're looking for a digital planner for your iPad, go to my Etsy store, thefeathersinc.etsy.com.